What's up, guys? Okay, so today coming at you with is this baking or cooking?
Baking. Oh.
I think it might be cooking, but it doesn't matter. Making pumpkin spice pumpkin spice pancakes. So we're making pumpkin spice pancakes today. I've made pancakes once, and it honestly turned out very, very bad because, I don't know, they burned or they weren't done, but I flipped them, and it was kind of tragic, but, you know.
I've never made pancakes before.
Yeah, so we're just going to have to see how this goes. Alright, here we go. Okay, 1 cup of the mix. Oh, wait. This is, if we use 1 cup of pancake mix, it'll make however much, you know what I mean?
6.
So, like, if we just use this whole thing, it'll make more, I guess. We're just gonna use the whole thing. Ooh, nutmeg.
1.
Ooh.
Isn't that basically just 2 cups?
I don't know, I didn't want to. No!
That's a mean move.
Okay, that's 3, so we need to triple every ingredient.
And don't forget it. Okay. So, we need then 3 tablespoons.
Sorry.
3 tablespoons of melted butter. Or oil. Whatever you want to do.
Let's go butter. Game day, boys.
Does it want it like liquid butter or just
Yeah, liquid. Stop. There's some garden for you.
I'm gonna make cream.
There's no creamer? Are you sure?
Could be wrong.
Oh, frick.
that's not good.
That's tragic.
You don't want to make it hot though.
Huh?
Butter.
Just mix it the next time. Yeah, boys. Can't see it. A lot of butter.
Not really. Well, you want to lightly beat the egg? 3 eggs. I didn't multiply the milk.
Oh god.
Dang it. Okay, wait.
I'm the only one.
That would have been so
listened.
tragic. Ugh. That definitely needs more sugar.
You want these large ones?
Oh, I forgot this is bitter. I mean, not bitter, but dark, like bold.
Oh yeah.
So it's even harder to sweeten.
3 eggs.
3. Say it in French.
3.
Tres huevos.
I don't even know.
We
the
are a
French word
bilingual
for
channel.
eggs.
Oofs.
Oofs. We haven't learned
Woofs?
food yet.
Oof.
Ouf.
We just know
Trois
fromage.
ouf. Trois ouf.
Je pense.
Je pense. What's je pense?
I think.
Je pense.
Je pense.
Je pense.
Ew, this liquid sugar is nasty.
No shells.
No shell.
Give me some.
Last one. Hell yeah. Nope. 1 shell.
You got a shell?
Yeah.
Weak sauce. Okay, this coffee is
Wait, I
still
don't wanna
not bueno, but I'll drink it.
Cool.
Right on top of the yolk.
I don't think that's a shell, maybe.
I thought it was.
Okay, now we're gonna use this whisk because it's cute. Even though I think it makes it much harder to whisk, but
I like to clean, so we don't have to do it before. I mean after.
this is our 2nd episode in our fall baking series. Fall baking, cooking, doesn't matter, literally. Yesterday we went to Giant Fabrics and we got some stuff for our next episode of fall baking. Should we tell them what it is?
Oh yeah.
We're gonna keep you waiting. Keep you in
Something's
suspense.
coming.
Yeah, something's coming. Who knows? Could be. Alright, faster. No, it says leave it lumpy. It says leave it lumpy. Look at it. Okay. Leave batter slightly lumpy. Just for perfect pancakes.
Still small.
Smells good.
It does smell good.
It's too good.
What are we using?
In a separate bowl.
What?
Combine the egg, milk, and oil.
Is it that big a deal?
Oh, why did I say to do it then?
Oh,
If
you
Ben-
didn't combine it first? Well, that's what you're supposed to do.
But why?
Oh my god.
Well, you did, in the green bowl. That was separate.
No, we did not.
In the
That
green,
was
it
just eggs.
Oh,
Is it that big a deal?
I don't know.
Yes,
we'll
we'll
find
find
out.
out.
Right. See how they're.
Sister jigs.
But you are supposed to mix wet and dry ingredients
Yeah, I
separately.
know. I don't know how I messed that up.
I'm the amateur here, so I am not to blame.
We're going in. It's, oh my god, it's mad thick. Oh my god, that was a mistake on our part. Oh my god, it's so thick. No.
Yeah, that is really thick.
Mom, can I flatten it so it's not so thick or no?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, that's a weird shape.
Big boy pancake.
Okay, I think that should be good. Oh my god, it's so uneven. Hello, what can you do?
Pancakes are never perfect circles.
I just don't. I think I should flip it because I'm going to.
She said no. There's no. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh, I finessed. Wow.
It doesn't look that orange in real life.
Well, because it's not really that one. Do you think it's ready now, Mom?
No, you just flipped
Okay,
it.
sorry. Is it gonna take less time on this side?
Give it a little 30 more.
I'm mixing up pancakes and eggs. Wow, I really finessed. I'm going in.
Nice.
Taste test at the end.
It smells good.
I know you literally didn't get yourself a shot at all. Okay, good.
Good, good, good.
Oh my god, don't, oh my god.
It started
Hurry up.
It started spilling.
Oh my god, you fool. Hurry up, you have to spread this out quick.
Why is it my fault that it spilled over?
Because you poured it horribly.
We're gonna have a little mini pancake over there.
Ew.
Don't ever talk to me and my son again.
You idiot! Oh my god.
I was flattening it.
You can't flatten it now. Oh my god. Every single time.
But isn't it gonna burn on the other side?
No.
Turn it down a little.
I think I should go.
I think go for it.
I think it's burnt.
And if it doesn't work, oh well. Go quick. You have to go quick.
It's burned.
That was such a
I
choke.
said that.
Yeah, but I think you made it too thick. It would have never, like, cooked anyway. Okay, well, get that garbo out of my pan. Let's go. Let's go throw it out. Hurry up. Let's go.
Sorry.
Just
All right,
press it
here we
down.
go. We're going round 2 for Murphy because she choked on that last one. I think it's way too liquidy now, but okay.
No,
Let's go off, I guess.
Oh, see?
What? What?
Just getting it everywhere.
How? Oh, I did get it everywhere, actually. Mumford's gonna die. It's fine. Alright, this one's gonna cook quick. Quick, fast. Are those bubbles? I think she should flip it. You think?
Yes.
Oh my god, go.
No, it's too liquidy.
Murphy!
Nope, no, I'm not doing it yet. I'm not doing it yet. It's too liquidy.
Oh my god. This is intense.
Turn the heat down.
It's on 4 already.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, now it's on like 3, 4. Alright, you gotta go for it, maybe. Oh my god.
I'm scared. No, it's not.
Give it to me, just give it to me, just give it to me. You already choked. I can't even fix what you've messed up.
You told me to do it, you loser. Yeah, you did it wrong. It wasn't letting me flip it. It got all over there.
Let me just take it from here. Do you want to try again? No, I think Mom messed up. Yeah, I think you made it too liquidy, the batter. Let's be real. I admit to it, Mom. How do we thicken it up now?
How do we thicken it up?
I just said, how do we thicken it up? Okay, well, I don't really know what to do with this because it's like raw on both sides now. I think I'm just gonna cook it.
It's not. Just keep cooking it. You're
Okay,
fine.
sounds good.
You can flip
You
it
can
back.
talk at a regular volume. I'll just cut it out if you want me to.
You can flip it back over.
I can flip it back over?
Yes.
Sounds good. Yeah. Oh my god.
You're
Murphy.
fake. You say it's my fault.
It is your fault. Come on, Mom. Was it her fault?
No.
Yeah, it was. Okay, here we go.
Was it my fault?
Comment down below
No.
if it was my fault or Mumford's fault or Murphy's fault.
Or Darcy's fault. First time
maybe we
first
should
time
taste
I'll say it
these.
was my fault. Second time, I don't know what I did wrong.
Maybe we should taste these. We'll taste test my pancake and Murphy's pancake, which is really both my pancakes that I had to fix for Murphy, but anyway. Mine's kind of amazing. Mine's type amazing.
Mine tastes like nothing.
Take
Well,
the
you're sick. I can taste.
take the pan off the heat,
Okay, sorry.
girls.
Yours tastes like nothing too.
Mine tastes good. I think they're pretty good, and after that,
Tastes
I was
nothing.
even able to fix Murphy's mutilated pancake. Alright, this is round 2. I mean, round 3 actually, for Murphy's
Should I
trying.
put more in this time because it's so liquidy or no?
No. Because
How did you do it?
pretty big.
Should I have something ready?
Murphy, just go.
I'm not making the same mistake. Don't rush me.
Wait, we didn't put more oil in. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, yeah, good. Start off with a baby. Let's go. Now you gotta wipe that. Just scrape it on the table. Good. And scrape the bottom too. That didn't do much, but it's fine. Alright, let's go. Okay, let me just
And let me do me. Okay?
get the thing out of the camera. Oh my god, shut up, you idiot.
Oh, I saw a bubble. Did you see that?
I did too.
I need bubbles all across.
Yeah, across,
Alright.
you're right. Hang on.
There's some.
It's definitely like, yeah, that's the good stuff.
Definitely getting ready. Another good one.
I think you should go for it.
Go.
Yeah. Make sure it's quick though. You gotta shove it under and flip. Yes!
Okay, alright. It's a little
It's
bent.
crinkle crink, but it's fine.
I got it. Oh, it's
I think-
it's kind of a perfect. Oh, sorry. It's kind
Okay, here we go. Okay, here are the pancakes. We are finished. How'd you like them?
of delicious.
Were they?
Yeah.
Thor, did you eat them? Did you like them? Good. Okay, no mom liked them. Alright, so that's the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.